Former president turned defendant. Donald Trump was arraigned in a New York courtroom Tuesday.
No president or former president has ever been indicted. Richard Nixon came close. There were certainly plausible charges that could have been brought against him, but his successor, President Gerald Ford, pardoned him.
Dean Ronald Weich of the University of Baltimore School of Law says now that Trump has been officially charged comes the process of discovery.
New York State has very generous discovery rules where the defendant is given many of the documents that form the evidence against him or her.
Then the defense can file a number of motions, for example, a motion to drop the charges or one for a change of venue.
President Trump has said that he would like to see this case not tried in Manhattan. He suggested that it be tried in Staten Island, which is a more Republican-friendly part of New York City.
Dean Weich says most cases settle before they go to trial, but he doesn't expect that to happen in this case. He says before the trial, defense attorneys usually strongly advise their clients not to speak about the case, but Trump reportedly plans to give a speech tonight after returning to Florida.
It's my impression that former President Trump is a very difficult client, that his lawyers don't have a lot of control over what he says.